Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Apex Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding the button until you see the Coros logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the Coros application on your phone, so make sure you have the internet connection and the Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in Coros, and tap on search button, and you should see this application, Coros. Tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on the allow. And now we need to log in into Coros account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up button to make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password, and then tap on login to log in. After you log in, you will see the pop-up on the screen asking you if you want to pair a new Coros watch. We want to do it, so let's tap on scan QR code, tap on go to settings, allow the access, and once the camera app opens, pick up your phone and scan the QR code with your phone. So basically you need to point the phone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code like this, and after it's done scanning, it will start pairing the devices. As you can see, it's asking us for the Bluetooth permission, so tap on go to settings, tap on allow, and now let's wait. Now let's tap on set up your watch, tap on OK. You can allow or deny the permission for the location, and here we can set up more features, like you can select preferred hand, then on which side you prefer the buttons, goals for the calories. You can tap right here and enter the goal, or you can adjust it by tapping on the slider. Then you can tap next. Here you can add and remove the activities by tapping on the minus or plus buttons, and then you can tap next. And here we can set the sleep time, basically the time on which you go to bed. And you can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, and then you can tap next. Here we can enable the phone notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to tap right here on go to settings, allow the permission, and then you can set it up. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel and keep it disabled. I'm gonna tap on go to settings, tap on allow, 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 allow. And now, as you can see, we can enable and disable the notifications. If you want to enable the notifications for applications, you can tap on more right here to open the list of apps. Come on. I guess we can't, but we should be able to open the more category. For some reason it doesn't work. So let's for now tap on next, and then later. And here we can tap on guide to see the guide on how to basically use the watch, but I'm just gonna tap on start now. And at this point you should see the profile page, and on the profile page you will see the Apex Pro. As you can see, we got more pop-ups about the notifications. So if you want to, for the features to work, you need to tap on change settings. It will redirect you to this page. On this page you need to find the Coros application on the list, tap on it, tap on this switch next to allow notification access, and then tap on allow. And once you allow the notification access, the notifications should be working. Why can't I go back? Come on. Oh, like this. And here we have it. Okay, let's tap on the Apex Pro to open the device page for it, and here we have it. Okay, so that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.